here we are. Keep an eye out, will you? See if I can get this open. That's one heck of a lock. Got something to hide, Kellogg? Why don't you give it a try?
Locked tight.
No luck? Guess we'll need to find a key. See that platform in the distance, near the city entrance? That's the elevator to the mayor's office. Why don't you go ask around there? I'll stay here and see if I can jimmy this lock.
Everyone and anyone reads public occurrences. Public is here to pull the wool out from under your eyes.
Hey, Nat.
You won't believe what's in the next issue. Just you wait. Ain't got nothing better to do? Read the paper, lady. Trust me.
Hey, who wants to look beautiful? Hairstyles across the Commonwealth.
Why doesn't the mayor come out of his office, huh? Afraid of talking to the press? I bet if I said I was with the Institute, he'd come running.
Do you ever think maybe you could get a man's attention easier if you use softer words, honey? Maybe shout a little less?
Oh, that reminds me of this article I'm writing about the mayor's affair with a certain airheaded blonde. Oh, look who it is. What brings you to the mayor's office, huh?
Need to see the mayor about something.
Really? You came to the mayor's office to see the mayor? Who'd have thought? Fine. Keep your secrets. Sooner or later I'll find out. I always do.
If you are done crowding the reception area, Miss Piper, the mayor needs to make time for more responsible citizens.
I was just leaving anyway.
The mayor's receiving visitors as long as they aren't members of the press. Did you need help?
I need to talk to someone about Kellogg's old house in the West Stands.
Mr. Kellogg's residence? He left town a while ago. We foreclosed on the property and locked it up. If there was something belonging to the man that you have a claim on, you could ask the mayor to hear you out. No guarantees.
I'll talk to the mayor then.
He set aside time to talk to petitioners all day. Best of luck.
No funny business around the mayor. Got it?
Ah, yes. I remember you. Our new arrival. I wish I was in your shoes, getting to see our glorious city for the first time. How can I help you?
A man named Kellogg used to live in the city. I need to search his house.
I see. Well, whatever reasons you have, I take my citizens' privacy very seriously. Even after they've left. I can't allow you to invade someone else's home. That's all there is to it.
Please, Mayor McDonough. This man, Kellogg, kidnapped my baby. I need to find him.
Oh, of course. I will do everything in my power to help you overcome this horrible personal tragedy. I remember Mr. Kellogg. Didn't like him myself. Paranoid. Never talked to anyone. I doubt you'll find him. But I insist you take the key to his old house. It's been abandoned, though. I'm afraid this whole thing might be fruitless.
Is Mayor McDonald telling the truth? What does he have to hide? Read the public for the hard questions.
Who needs a haircut? Everyone needs a
Hey
haircut.
there.
You
Step
there.
up.
Talk some sense into my nitwit son. Madonna's secretary, is she a synth?
What?
You know what a synth is, right? Those machine people the Institute makes? Looks and acts just like the real thing? Only I think they made Geneva a little too perfect. No woman looks like she does, all perky. So she's a synth, right? She has to be.
No idea.
You don't know. What? Born without a brain between your ears?
You just said no one could tell the difference, Ma. She don't know if Geneva's a synth, and neither do you. So could you lay off?
Don't you talk to your mother that way, Johnny.
Around here, we call your haircut the scab special. Little flecks of blood, give it the personal touch. You should think about getting a trim.
What are my options?
You name it. Shaves, long cuts, short cuts, braids, layering. Be easier just to show you. Got an empty chair right here.
Sure.
Just sit down.
Commonwealth weaponry. It's a dangerous world out there. Like yourself. Next time we're gonna play, trailer like this.
I think you would look great with just a quick trim.
Heard you rescued Valentine. Good work. This scared the hell out of me. But Nikki, he ain't like those Institute psychos.
Intense, hoof out, stim packs, jet.
Do yourself a favor and just say yes. It's all he understands.
Yes?
custom hardware, we got a free workbench for all your modifications. Scopes, clip size, barrels.
Doc.
New patient. A new file to open. Do you have a legitimate medical concern? Or is this about our facial reconstructive services?
Yeah. Take a look at me, Doc.
Go over your symptoms with me.
Feeling sick.
Blood pooling in the gums. Signs of anemia, yeah. We better clean you up. All done. Any other complaints?
Took a few bad hits recently.
Severe lacerations, puncture wounds, muscle spasms in the eyes from high levels of stress. Yeah, let's patch you up.
Prescriptions, Bill. High quality chem.
Done. Now, was there anything else bothering you?
That was it.
Off you go then.
The Super Salon can give you the hairstyle of your dreams.
Protection for sale! Hand
Now a
pulled
swatter.
pieces.
That's a real weapon. Talk to Mo Cronin. He'll fix you up.
Feed the public. Be prepared.
Got the key? All right, let's head in. You do the honors. Let's take a look around. Hug must have left something behind. Place seems small to you? Figured a guy like Kellogg would think big. Nothing here. Did you check out that desk? I'm telling you, something's not right. Look for anything out of sorts. A switch. A button.
If there's a use to that, I'll eat my hat.
Well, that's one way to hide a room. Look at this. All of a Merc's favorite things.
Gwinnett's stout beer, 44 caliber bullets, cigars, San Francisco Sunlights.
Interesting brand. Won't lead us anywhere on its own, though. Get hit in the head? I can relate.